Hello friends, in the last video we have discussed about how to get total salary of all department and how to get total salary of each department in DSL and in SQL. So in this video we are going to discuss about the average. Okay, so you can see we have the department and we have the salary. So you can see we have HR, IT, finance and marketing department. So if we need to get the average from all department, how to do that? And if we need to get the average of each department, so how to do that in SQL and in DSL? Okay, so let me first try in SQL. So we need to get the average of all department. Okay, so Spark SQL, select in SQL will write AVG, average salary of all department from EMP. Okay, dot show. Let me run this one. You can see average salary will be 60,000. Okay, this is the average salary of all department. So we need to get the average salary of each department. Okay, so how to do that? Spark.sql, and then here we'll write the function code. Select we'll use department. We'll select department. Okay, and then average, and then we need to get salary. Okay, from EMP group by department. Okay, so let me run show. Select department, and this will be comma average salary from EMP group by department. Okay, so it will display the department wise average salary. You can see HR department has this one, finance, marketing and IT department. Okay, so in DSL, how to do that? In DSL we'll use df dot select, and then we'll use AVG salary. So df dot select, 1 minute, df dot we'll use aggregate. Okay, aggregate, and inside aggregate we'll use AVG average salary dot show. Okay, you can see this is the average salary from DSL, and we can use this df in other way. Df dot select, and then we'll use AVG, and then here salary, and then show. Okay, let me run this one. You can see we can use this way also. And now we need to get the department wise average salary. Df dot will use group by department. Okay, and then we'll use average aggregate, and then we'll use AVG, and inside we'll use salary. Okay, and then show. So let me run this one. You can see this is the result, the department wise average salary, and we We need to use the alias also here, department wise average salary. So here you can use, in this point you can use dot s, okay, and then depth wise, department wise average salary. You can see, and here also we can use as department wise average salary. Okay, you can see the result as department. This is the department and this is the department wise average salary, and this is the department and this is the department wise average salary. Okay guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.